Good afternoon. This is Devon Pearson at Stikeman Chevrolet in Paulding, Ohio. And what we have here is a 2015 Chevy Silverado LTZ Black with a 2-inch lift kit, black wheels, running boards, spray and liner, 4-wheel drive, leather, nice truck with 76,000 miles. Anybody in the market, this is a nice truck. This is a truck was used as a demo right now. Currently a salesperson is driving it. I am the salesperson that's driving it. It's a nice truck. Guys know if you got a 2-inch lift kit and if it's done right, which this one is done perfect, there's no bouncing up, the steering is straight, is narrow. The drive and the ride is very nice. Very clean truck, fully equipped, sunroof. I mean, guys, if you're looking for a truck and you into that and you want that 2-inch lift kit and you want the nice wheels, this is your truck. This truck ain't missing anything. And it's done correctly. Already got the tinted windows. All you got to do is turn the key and drive the truck. You won't have to add anything, take anything off. Just jump in the truck and be ready to go. It looks good. It runs good. It rides good. It's a nice truck. Don't hesitate to book your appointment with me today. We offer $50 test drives. Book your appointment with Devon Pearson today. Take this baby out. Enjoy it. We got snow on the ground. This is the perfect truck for you to take down the road, to take your wife out in, to take your friends in, go four-wheeling in, go mudding in, whatever you like to do. This is your truck. Again, this is Devon Pearson at Stikeman Chevrolet in Paulding, Ohio. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day.